Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Jaja credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off with opening up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in jaja.jaja.finance and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can directly log in and manage your credit card account. Go to the first text box and select your country code from the drop-down. Make sure to select the same country code that you used while registering for your account. Soon after you do that, type in your phone number associated with your account, and in the password text field, type in the password for your credit card account. If you don't remember the password, you can click on this reset password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after typing in your credentials correct, click the continue button to log in and manage your Jaja credit card online. It is that simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.